Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Zoom on desktop or the web and sign into the account you want to change. Once signed in, go straight to Profile or Settings and click Edit My Profile. This is the only place Zoom saves your display name across meetings. Make sure you're using the account that appears when you schedule or join meetings, because changing a different account won't update the name you use in those sessions. Now edit the display name fields. Type your first and last name exactly how you want attendees to see them. Use only characters supported by Zoom. Special symbols or emojis may be blocked by organization settings. Once you enter the new name, click Save or Update. This writes the change to your profile and will be used for future meetings. If you're in an organization, the admin may restrict edits, so expect to finish, start, or join a meeting and confirm the name shown in participant lists and video windows. Profile changes apply to new sessions. If you need a temporary override, use the In-Meeting Rename option, but remember that Save in Profile is the permanent method. If the new name doesn't appear, sign out of Zoom and sign back in, or clear cache on the web portal. These steps refresh your account data and usually resolve stubborn update delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.